Do you want to set a daily screen time limit on TikTok? You can instantly configure your app settings to lock your feed after a certain amount of time, helping you manage your daily scrolling habits. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To set up a daily screen time limit on your TikTok account. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you are on TikTok, make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the three horizontal lines menu icon in the top right corner. Once the menu opens, tap on Settings and Privacy at the bottom. This will open your settings menu page. Scroll down to the Activities section, then find Time and Wellbeing and tap on it. Now on the new screen, tap on Screen Time. Here you will see different options. Tap on Daily Screen Time to enable. Under this, tap on Screen Time Limits. A pop-up will appear. You can choose your desired daily limit, ranging from 15 minutes to 2 hours. Once you select your preferred duration, tap the Done button at the bottom. The daily restriction will be locked in immediately. You can always come back to this menu to change your daily limit or turn off the feature entirely by entering your passcode again.